Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another subscription to share with you, and it is from Sephora. This is their beauty box. If you're new to this subscription and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I chose for this month, then you will find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to flick forward. The Beauty Box by Sephora is a monthly beauty box subscription that is only available in the UK. You can opt for a one-off box for £13.95, and that includes shipping if you just want to test it out, just want to dip in and out, which is what I tend to do. Or you can opt for a subscription which starts at 3 months for £13.50, or 6 months for £12.75, or 12-month subscription for £11.95. But they've got a promo on at the moment. If you take out a 12-month subscription, then your first box you'll only have to pay £4.95. If you're interested in the subscription for yourself, then as always you'll find links to it down below in my description, as well as the Sephora Pick and Mix sample service, which is very similar. It's not a subscription. You choose 5 teeny tiny samples for free. You just pay shipping, and that shipping then gets credited back onto your account. I will be doing a video either before this one or after this one if you haven't heard of the Pick and Mix before, but I'll pop that down there as well. And you'll also find all my discount codes and offers for other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running, so you're welcome to take a look there. So if you just want to take out a one-off box or a subscription, you would need to create an account with Sephora. It's just setting up an account with your email address, as you would if you were to purchase anything off their website anyway. You are only able to choose your products once a month. So if you choose your products on the 1st of April, you will not be able to do it until the 1st of May. There's no set date when items are released onto their website. It's not like a new edit every single month. For the last couple of months, the beauty box has been quite similar. We've just had a handful of new products added, but that's not to say that in the future we might see more, or it might be similar, as in you might find a few months where it's all the same, and then all of a sudden they've dropped new products. There's a couple of pages for you to go through if you want to single out certain brands, or if you want like fragrance or skincare, body care, etc., then you're able to do so by a drop down menu to the side of the page. Sometimes we've had amazing products in there, and full size. This is generally a sample deluxe size subscription, and you'll see more higher ended brands than say in the Pick and Mix, which they also offer, and that's where the price difference comes into it. As soon as there's a new release, not just one or two, but when there's a significant amount added to the website, then I'll share it everywhere. Share it on my Instagram, Facebook, community tab on YouTube, Twitter. Where else will I share it? Trying to think now. I've got a link tree that has all my deals and everything. Yeah, so I share it everywhere. If you follow me on any of those and you see that I've posted up about the beauty box, then you'll know that there's some good things in there, and to get in there quick because they can sell out super fast. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If there's anything I've missed out, then please ask away. But yeah, let's get on to showing you then what I chose for this month. Oh, I forgot again, I did it last time. You don't have to have this bag every single month. There is an option for you to tick it off, but I always tick yes because it's handy for me as I give away little beauty treats to my friends and family and the lady that does my nails. Say if you take out a 12-month subscription, then you might not want 12 of these. So you've got the option to tick off if you want to. But I really like the bags, they're handy. Handy to put my jewellery in as well when I go on holiday. First up, I got something for my hair. This is an overnight mask. This is by Amica Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Treatment. It's 30 mils there. I love the idea of an overnight mask. I've started using hair syrups in my hair, and I've noticed that my hair just feels so much nicer afterwards. Something to sleep in would be nice as well. So it says, give your mane a burst of intense moisture and softness. This leave-in treatment deeply hydrates damp or dry strands overnight, resulting, it's so small, the writing, resulting in silkier looking hair. Apply to damp or dry hair before bedtime. That's it. If you've tried it, let me know your thoughts. Then I went for something for my daughter. It's a warming sheet mask. She loves these eye masks. I mean, not for your face, they're for your eyes. She absolutely loves these. I've got quite a few myself, but whenever I get any extra, then I do give them to her. This is by Beauty Pro. It's a warming eye mask, full size. One mask in here. Relaxing Chamomile Self-Warming Mask. If you've never tried one of these before, oh, they're really nice. Really nice. To activate it, you have to rip it open, so I can't take it out and show you, or else it'd be wasted. But yeah, you take it out, and oh, you can see on the back there. And then it gently heats up and it lasts for quite a while. Now they don't send me off to sleep because I have difficulties getting off to sleep, but it just relaxes me. Really, really good for headaches, any like stresses or anything like that. Really, really good for like relaxation. But yeah, I just got that for her. So there's that. Then I've got a highlighter by Joya. Is that how you say it? Joya. That's what it looks like to me anyway. Oh, that's all you can see is my camera. Are you not gonna? Oh my gosh. There. Can you see there? There. Joya. Is that what it says? Joya. Joya. Anyway, I've got a highlighter. It's a powder highlighter in ice. Put my nail in there. So I've got a mirror. That's what it looks like. It's gold. I wasn't expecting that. I can see there now. Oh, that's pretty. Can you see? My hand. That is really pretty. Feels really nice as well. Ooh. It blends out really nicely as well. So yeah, got a highlighter there. Next up, Drunk Elephant. This is Bouncy Bright Facial and it's a mask. To correct and clarify, it contains 10% azelaic acid, 1% salicylic acid, triple antioxidant brightening complex, and there's 5 mils. I've heard such good things about this, and my skin needs salicylic acid and azelaic acid as well. Am I saying that right? Azelaic. Azelaic. See, I see it all the time, but I don't usually say the word out right. So then it doesn't sound right when I do say it. This radiant boosting Levon mask delivers a supercharged shot of 10% azelaic acid and 1% salicylic acids deep into skin to clarify uneven tone, fade stubborn spots, and reduce the look of redness, revealing a brighter, bouncier, more even complexion. See, it sounds gorgeous, doesn't it? So I don't think I've ever tried that before. I've seen this a lot recently. I'll be gutted now if I have got it in like my stash of beauty products that I haven't used yet. I'm being very good. I've got cupboards or open cupboards then, and I'm only using products in one side. The rest are to be used, and as much as I want to dive in there and just try everything, I don't want to waste what's in here, so I'm going through that first, and then once I've like run out of a serum, then I'll grab a new one. Once I've run out of moisturiser, although I was saying that I have got quite a few moisturisers on the go, and SPFs as well. But anyway, once I've run out of certain things, then I just dip in that way. So I don't think I've got it, but I've seen a lot of it recently online, and I can't wait to try it. See what it's like on my skin. And then lastly then, I went for a mascara, which I really like. It's only a little teeny tiny one. I thought it would be a little bit bigger because we have had like NARS ones. We've had bigger ones before, but not full size, but it doesn't matter. This is Pillow Talk Lash Up Lashes by Charlotte Tilbury. And yeah, I do really like this mascara. I got it because it's a handy size to pop in a cabin bag if I'm going away. So those are all the 5 products that I chose for this month's Sephora beauty box. I've got an Amica hair mask, an overnight hair mask. I've got a Beauty Pro warming eye mask. I've got a Joya highlighter in ice. And I got a Drunk Elephant bouncy bright facial face mask, and Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes mascara. It cost me £13.95 as I tend to dip in and out as and when I fancy having a look to see what is there. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this subscription. Do you subscribe, or are you learning about this for the first time? I'd love to hear what you think of it. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.